Hi everyone, so today we'll take a look at the Dobe cooling fan and USB hub for the PS4 Pro. Now it's summer and it's very hot and your console gets very hot, that's understandable, and that's why I got this cooling fan. I only wanted a cooling fan, but this one comes with a USB hub. I couldn't find a standalone cooling fan. In any event, good thing I found this. If it comes with a USB hub, then so be it. Then the more the merrier, right? Anyway, it's not that expensive, and you can see that it needs external power. You can plug it onto the PS4, or you can plug it into another USB port. So here's an important question. Do you need this? Well, I do. I live in a tropical country. It's very hot in here. My modem, my router, my PS3 are not stable unless they sit on a laptop cooler. And I would sit my PS4 Pro in a laptop cooler also, but my PS4 stands vertically. So here it is. It's made of cheap plastic. I wish it would look better, but no. It's typical Dobe, but if it works, then it's great. There, I have it on high and I'll put it on because I want this on every time I turn on my PS4 Pro. And here's the DC port where you'll plug in the USB cable that came with this. And here we have the USB hub. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 2.0 and 1 USB 3.0 port. So that's the blue one. Now let's put it in. So it's possible to get it on wrong, but it'll be too obvious. You can see here I made a mistake. I put it in, but yeah, it doesn't really align. So let me try again. And here we have it. It actually looks great. On first blush, you won't notice that it's not part of the original PS4 Pro system. It looks as if it's part and parcel of the PS4 Pro. Look at that. See, so good job, Dobe. This is a great fit, and it really blends well with the PS4 Pro console. And now it's time to plug in the USB hub. So this one goes in front. See there? There are two USB ports there. You just plug it in. Easy peasy, nice and easy. And there you go. So again, this is a great fit. Look at that. I even have the vertical stand, and my initial concern is, is this still fit even if I have the vertical stand? And as you can see, it's a great fit. And so now it's time to plug in the power cord. So here we go. There. It's a barrel plug, and this one, the other end, is a USB plug. There's a USB port at the back of the PS4 Pro, but I use that for my PSVR, so I'll just plug this in front. Anyway, this sits on the floor, so the cable won't be intrusive, and it will still look hidden or stay hidden. And there you go. So now I'm going to use this, and I'm so excited. At least now I'm more confident in using my PS4 even on a hot summer day. Even if I have my aircon on, I'll still use this because, yeah, the PS4 gets really hot. So thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good day.